Here we have a brand new 2023 Audi RS3 8-wire saloon. This is a Vorsprung edition, which means it comes with the panoramic roof, the head-up display and the driver assistance package. But this one is also equipped with the RS Dynamic package, which includes the Carbon Ceramic Brakes. But what makes this car special is its Audi exclusive paintwork. This is San Marino Blue, which is a BMW colour. In early 2021, when the Audi 8-wire RS3 configurator was launched, this colour was removed from the Audi exclusive palette due to it being a BMW colour. So the likelihood of finding an RS3 in this colour is extremely rare. Right now you cannot order one of these brand new RS3s. That is because the allocations are full. But if you could, to order an Audi in an exclusive finish, it is typically a 2.5 to 3 year wait. That is because Audi schedule the exclusive colours towards the end of the production line. As you can see, the car is still equipped with a factory transportation film. This is how they leave the factory in Germany and arrive at the Audi dealership. But we requested for it to arrive to us like this, so we could be the first people to guarantee you to have washed this car. And as you can see, it's still got the GB terminals tracking information in the windscreen. This car still presents delivery mileage on the dashboard, and we can guarantee that no one else has ever driven this car and you will be the first. These covers will be carefully removed and then the car will be detailed by our professional detailing team prior to sale. This car has literally just come into stock, so if you want to find out more information about it, we recommend giving us a quick call.